In this video, we'll cover shade extension, installation, and removal for the Manual Bimini 2.0. With the canvas top in its full and upright position, completely unzip the mesh cargo pocket. On the pocket's interior is a zipper that will be zipped onto the trailing edge of your shade extension. Roll any excess fabric of the extension onto its supporting frame. Then zip the mesh cargo pocket closed to complete the shade extension installation procedure. Open the cargo pocket and unzip the trailing edge of the shade extension from the Bimini top. The shade extension can now be stowed for later use.